Orange. Oranges. Orange juice. Drinking orange juice is a healthy practice of taking our daily intake of vitamin C. The process of preparing it consumes lots of time and effort. Nevertheless, with the use of many tools, gadgets and machines, would you believe that you could prepare and consume your orange juice in less than a minute? Yes, you heard it, less than a minute. Are you busy rushing to work daily, chasing time and money, and no time to prepare your orange juice? It's not rocket science, and it's real indeed. Less than a minute. It's true. Well, it's time to go practical on how to prepare and consume your daily intake of orange juice. Again, it's not rocket science, and you don't need to search the globe for an answer. Here it is, the best solution to prepare and consume your orange juice in less than a minute. I wish you to practice this in your daily healthy life. No tools, gadgets and machines needed to prepare your daily orange juice intake. All you need is just a knife and a chopping board. That's it. Cut the orange into 4 pieces. Use your teeth to bite and suck the juice into your mouth. It's very simple. Tuck the orange to your teeth, bite, and drink the juice in. Do you believe 95% of the juice and pulp is consumed directly into your mouth without any wastage? Just tug, bite, and drink the juice. It's that easy. Just tug, bite, and drink the juice. It's that easy. Floss your teeth once you finish. See, it's still less than a minute. It takes less than a minute to cut, prepare, and drink your daily intake of orange juice. Yes, it's true, right, less than a minute. The wonderful 1 minute of your day. Have a wonderful day with a great 1 minute intake of orange juice. You will find it much easier by practicing it. Better luck trying, and you are welcome to a healthier lifestyle. Take care.